Are you looking for the best mirrored jewelry armoires? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mirrored jewelry armoires on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elevon 6 LED Jewelry Cabinet Organizer. The Elevon Jewelry Organizer is a stylish and functional solution for storing your jewelry. With its sturdy MDF construction and mirrored frame, this cabinet not only protects your collection but also enhances your dressing area. The built-in LED lights automatically illuminate your jewelry, making it easy to find what you need without waking anyone up. You will appreciate the generous storage capacity, featuring various hooks and drawers to keep your items neatly organized. Plus, the full-length mirror allows you to admire your outfits while showcasing your jewelry beautifully. What we like: ample storage space, adjustable door hooks, strong magnet closure, easy assembly, great lighting feature. What we don't like: lock may be faulty, awkward to mount. Number 2. SONGMICS LED Jewelry Cabinet UJJC008B01. The SONGMICS jewelry cabinet features a full-length mirror with adjustable LED lights, allowing you to choose from 3 light settings for the perfect glow while you get ready. With ample storage options, including slots for earrings, necklaces, and rings, you can keep all your jewelry organized in one place. The built-in mini vanity table, complete with a mirror and LED lights, makes it easy to apply makeup and accessorize conveniently. Plus, its sturdy construction and lockable design ensure your treasures are safe and secure. What we like: beautiful design, lots of compartments, easy to assemble, sturdy build quality, great lighting features. What we don't like: mirror angle limitations, some assembly frustrations. Number 3. Hives and Honey Landry Jewelry Armoire, Antique Black. The Hives and Honey Landry Jewelry Armoire is a crafted wooden armoire with an antique black finish. It features a vanity mirror, anti-tarnish plush felt storage area when the lid is lifted, 12 double-tiered necklace hooks within the side doors to keep necklaces tangle-free, 7 spacious drawers with dividers and deep open storage space, and elegant, pewter-finished hardware. This armoire is perfect for storing and organizing jewelry, and keeping it safe from tarnishing. What we like: beautiful design, compact and lightweight, quality finish, ample storage options, easy assembly. What we don't like: drawers may not slide smoothly, some assembly instructions unclear. Number 4. Hives and Honey Cabby Fully Locking Jewelry Armoire. The Hives and Honey Cabby Armoire is a fully locking jewelry armoire finished in antique turquoise. It features linen lining throughout the armoire to protect jewelry from tarnish, scratching, and other potential damage. The French-style doors open to reveal 10 double-tiered necklace hooks on each side, providing ample storage for your necklaces. The top lid lifts to reveal divided compartments, ring rolls, and a full-frame mirror, making it convenient for you to organize your rings and admire your jewelry. With its fully assembled design and easy-to-screw-on legs, this jewelry armoire offers hassle-free setup. Keep your precious jewelry safe and organized with the Hives and Honey Cabby Armoire. What we like: tons of storage space, beautiful turquoise color, sturdy and well-made, easy assembly, locking mechanism. What we don't like: drawers can tip when pulled, magnet strength could improve. Number 5. SONGMICS Mirrored Jewelry Cabinet Armoire UJJC001N01. The SONGMICS Mirror Jewelry Cabinet is a versatile and practical storage solution for all your jewelry and makeup essentials. This 2-in-1 cabinet features a large frameless mirror, allowing you to easily pick, wear, and check out matching jewels all in one place. With 108 earring slots, 36 necklace hooks, 39 ring slots, and 4 shelves, this cabinet provides ample space to keep your treasures organized and tangle-free. In addition, it comes with 2 removable cosmetic organizers that have compartments for makeup brushes, powders, and lipsticks, keeping your beauty essentials easily accessible. Whether you choose to hang it on the door or mount it on the wall, this cabinet is designed to stay in place and prevent wobbling. Classy and practical, the SONGMICS Mirrored Jewelry Cabinet makes for a perfect gift for your loved ones on any special occasion. What we like: ample storage space, high-quality construction, secure locking mechanism, strong magnets for the door, beautiful design. What we don't like: door may not stay closed. Necklace holders could be higher.